Hello and welcome. You're watching NDTV 24/7. My name is Kitty Bahal. There's some big breaking news now coming in. This is from Chhattisgarh. We are now learning an encounter is taking place in Chhattisgarh. The Deputy Chief Minister of the state has informed that 26 Naxals have been killed in this encounter. This is an ongoing operation that's taking place in the Narayanpur district in Chhattisgarh. For the last 50 hours, this operation is going on. Encounter is taking place between forces and Naxals. Bodies have been recovered so far. We are learning. My colleague Anurag also joins us on the broadcast. He's tracking the details there on the ground. Well, this is big, Anurag. We are given to understand 26 Naxals have been wiped out and the operation is still underway.
Yes, the search operations are underway, and as you have mentioned, it's a major action by the DRG and the Chhattisgarh police there against the Naxalites. Reports are also coming in of a senior Naxal commander being surrounded by the DRG personnel in Abujmar. DRG teams from Narayanpur, Dantewada, Bijapur and Kondagaon are present at the location, and district level forces have reportedly trapped top Naxal commanders. More than 20 Naxals have been killed in this operation, and one Jawan is also injured. The news is also coming in that Nambala Keshav Rao, that is Baswa Rao, General Secretary of the CPI Maoist, is killed in the ongoing operation, but we have yet to confirm this news from the police. But if it's true, it'll be a major success for the security forces, because those 26 Naxals who have been killed were the cadres of the point number 7, and our sources are telling us that they usually give protection to the CCM or PBM, and they also have been neutralized. One personnel has sustained injuries, and the search operation is still on after 50 hours of encounter between the security forces and the Naxals.
Okay, so you're saying that the search operation, the final search operation is underway at the moment. The encounter is over.
Yes, the encounter is over after 50 hours and the final search operation is underway.
All right. Anurag, I'll come back to you later. Meanwhile, we have the soundbite of the Deputy Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh. Let's first listen into that.
एक हमारा जवान घायल हुआ है परंतु खतरे से बाहर है। एक सहयोगी थे जो वो शहीद हुए हैं, और सरकार का इस पर पूरा ध्यान है। आगे उसको ध्यान देकर के आगे बढ़ाएंगे, परंतु ये ज़रूर है कि जवानों करिश्मा कर दिखाया है और 26 नक्सलियों से 26 से अधिक नक्सली मार गिराए गए।
मुठभेड़ की अगर बात करें तो चल ही रहा है कि क्या स्थिति है?
अब अंतिम सर्चिंग ऑपरेशन ही चल रहा है, सर्च ही चल रहा है, मतलब मुठभेड़ के बाद बॉडीज रिकवर की जा रही है।